Welcome YouTube. This is Chris at DIY Auto Body. Today we have this Chrysler 300. It's a 2012 model. We're going to show you how to remove this rear bumper. It's fairly simple today. Let's show you. First, let's go to this side. What you have on this side is you're going to have two of these clips right here. They have a push-in head. What you do is you pry that head up, and then you can remove these. So you need to remove these. I use a little screwdriver, or I have a tool right here. Use a little screwdriver to get underneath it, and then I use this tool. It has a little angle on it to pop those out. After that, you have a 10mm bolt that drives right up through here, right up through the edge of the bumper into the body. It goes right there from underneath. So you just remove that. You have another 10mm. This has a star bit end, but it's a 10mm bolt. It goes underneath here, the bottom of this bumper, straight up into the bottom through here. You just remove that. One on either side. Then, along the bottom of this bumper right here, you have 4 of these bolts. These are 8mm. So you have to go 8mm and 10mm to do this job, and then a little some kind of clip remover. Then the only thing this is held on with is, let me pop this out right here. It has these little tabs right here that pop into this body bracket, quarter mounting bracket, and that secures it, helps secure it. So it has those, and then it also has these tabs here that slide into there, and those lock into place too. You just give a good hard tug and it comes loose. And as you see, it's loose right now. There we go. So that bumper is free now. The only other thing is this one has a wiring harness that needs to be removed. After you get it loose, you can get to it, and it's on this end right there. You press down just on that edge, get to focus, and that will release it, and you can separate the two. Sometimes these little things are a pain in the butt to get released. This one's not too bad, but we'll figure out how they get released. But that's it, guys. Removal of a rear bumper, 2012 Chrysler 300. I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching the channel. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.